Welcome back to this series on MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil and in this video we are going to work on bitwise operators. So let's get started. In this video we are going to work on bitwise operators and we have function that is DEC to bin, means decimal to bin. When we want to convert any number decimal to binary, then that function is used. And bit and gives bitwise and bit or gives bitwise or, and bitwise XOR gives bitwise XOR, bit XOR. So about bit XOR, when we have 0 0 then it gives 0, when we have 0 1 then it gives 1, when we have 1 0 then it gives 1, and when we have 1 1 then it gives 0. When we have maximum input then it gives 0, and when we have disequal inputs then it gives 1. Bit shift x2, both are right shift left shift, and bit CMP is bitwise complement. So let's work on decimal to binary. So let's check TC to bin of 12. So it gives 1100. It ignores starting 4 zeros. When we use that function, then that ignores zeros at starting. So let's try decimal to binary of 13. It gives 1101. Same, it ignores startings 40. Decimal to binary of 60. So it gives 111100. Here it ignores startings 20. So let's work on bitwise and. So suppose we have x equal to 23 and y equal to 50 and z equal to b tan x comma y. So here is gives 18. So let's check decimal to binary of 23, decimal to binary of 50, decimal to binary of 12. Sorry, decimal to binary of 18. So after performing bitwise and we got 18. So let's check. When we have 0 1 then it gives 0. When we have 1 1 then it gives 1 here. And same like that it works as bitwise and. So let's check bitwise or. Z equal to bit or x comma y. It gives 55. Same, it does bitwise or operation like. So here in OR gate, when we have 0 0 then it gives 0. So here we have 1 1 1 0, so it gives 1 1 1, so it gives again 1 1 1, then it gives 1 0 0, so it gives 0, then again 0 1, so it gives 1 1 1 gives 1. Like that it performs bitwise OR operation. So let's try bitwise XOR. So Z equal to bit XOR x comma y. decimal to binary of 37. It gives 37. So let's check for 37. So we have 0 0 1. So we have 1 0 0 1 0 1. So let's check for inputs 23 and for 15 50. So when we have 0 1, then it gives 1. When we have 1 1, then it gives 0. When we have 0 1, then it gives 1. Here we have 0 0, so it gives 0. Here we have 1 1, so it gives 0. And here 1 and 0, so it gives 1. Like that it performs operation. So let's try these operations with matrices. So we have a equal to bracket 1 2 3 4 close bracket, b equal to 2 3 4 5. So let's try z equal to bitwise AND of a and b. So it done same, it gives bitwise AND of a and b. So let's try z equal to bitwise OR of a and b. So it gives 3375 that are bitwise OR of a and b. So let's try bitwise XOR. Z equal to bitwise XOR a comma b. So it gives 3171. So it converts in bitwise OR. If you want to check in binary format how it done, so you can check it. Because of lack of time, I am not doing that thing. So let's try bitwise shift of x. So we have x equal to 10. So 10 in binary. So let's take 10 in binary format. So we have 1010. So let's try z equal to bit shift a comma 2. Sorry, bit shift x comma 2. So it gives 40. So let's check decimal to binary of 40. So it gives 101000. Suppose what we have done for 10, we have 1010. After that point, we have some values, and here we have 0000. After that point, we have some values. So after doing that bit shift x comma 2, it takes 2 point at here. So what it do? 0 0 0 1 0 1 and some values are starting like 0. So it shifts 20 to left side. After that point again we have some zeros. So let's try z equal to bit shift x comma minus 2. So it gives 2. So let's check decimal to binary of 10 and decimal to binary of 2. So it gives 10. So here it shifted to 10 to right side. Like here we have 10 after doing that operation. We got 10.10 and some zeros at starting. So it shifts 10 to this side. So let's try bitwise complement build CMP of X. So bit CMP gives bitwise complement of X. So like that we have some bitwise operators. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button. If you not like this video, click on dislike button and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.